And our next topic is Byzantium. We have seen that the Roman Empire was divided into the East and West. And the Eastern Roman Empire was known as the Byzantine Empire because Byzantine was the emperor and it was renamed as the Byzantium. As we have seen, the Emperor Constantine started the spread the Christianity, and he has taken a good part in the growth of Christian religion. And the empire was known as Constantinople after his name. Likewise, after Byzantine, the emperor, the empireship was known as Byzantium. And we see the Western Roman Empire collapsed or it just fell down in the 5th century. But the Byzantine Empire continued to exist for an additional 1,000 years, that is around 1453 century. So it fell to the Ottoman Turks. It's a Turk people, or there's another tribe or a invasion that defeated the Byzantine Empire. So is a small history details. Just go through the note, and there is not much thing to be remembered. So the next topic may be the emergence of the Turks and the Crusades. We have seen that the Byzantine Empire came to a fall by the Ottoman Turks invasion in 1453 century. So, the emergence of the Turks and the Crusades. The Turks under the Seljuk or the Seljuk Turks, the chieftains of a group of Turkish tribe, migrated from the steppes to the northern border of the Persian Empire in the 10th century. So they followed Islam religion. We are saying that the Christian religion up to then was dominating in the Roman Empire, but now it has come down to a fall by the invasion of the Turks. They defeated the holy places under the leadership of main kings. We read here the empire, the emerging power of the Turks was controlled by Mahmud with his capital in Ghazni. And after the death of Ghazni in 1030 century, his son Masud became the leader of the Seljuk dynasty. Dynasty means the kingship order. So later, it is Togul Beg. He aimed for the expansion towards Persia, where anarchy was prevailing. He entered Baghdad by 1055 century and was welcomed the Caliph, who awarded him the title of Sultan. So the invasion of the Turks all over the area towards Persia was under the emperor called Toghrul Beg. So again, under their Sultan Alp Arslan, the Seljuk Turks invaded Armenia also. So the Byzantine Empire and the neighbors to the east, the Turks were invading, they are conquering the areas. So they emerged as the main power in the Byzantine region. They are described as themselves as Roman. After their victory at Manzikert, they reached Constantinople in 1080th century and made Nicaea their capital. So the capital of the Byzantine Empire under the Turks, the capital was Nicaea, and they invaded the Christian dominating areas. So it marked the decline of the Roman Empire.